A 3 to 6 month bachelor's degree sounds absolutely impossible. I get it. And at most universities, it is impossible logistically. But there are a handful of universities in the United States that allow you to earn entire bachelor's degrees in 3 to 6 months. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through 10 of the fastest universities on the planet. And I'm going to tell you for each university if 3 to 6 months is possible. I've helped tons of students earn bachelor's degrees in months instead of years. And the number one most important choice that you need to make is which university you choose. So we're going to walk through 10 in this video, and I'm going to let you know if less than 6 months, even less than 3 months, is possible for these degrees. Now, I know that money is important too. So along the way, I'm going to tell you how much each of these schools costs. And like I said, how fast you can graduate. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Ryan, and I help people earn college degrees really fast. Do me a favor if you're interested and just subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's dive in. All right, so the first school I want to introduce you to is called the University of Massachusetts Global. If we go into their academic programs, they have a couple of programs that are really fast. Now, not a lot, but a few. So if they're a good fit, I mean, this could work out for you. What we want to do is we want to scroll down and see that they have 78 different programs at this school online. But what we want to do is we want to filter for online self-paced, and this filters for what are called these MyPath programs. Now, they used to have about a dozen of these, but they cut back, and now they only have 5 to choose from, but they're pretty fast. Now, they have 2 terms at this school, and it's about $3,500 every 24 weeks or about 6 months. So it's about $7,000 per year, but essentially the faster you graduate, the less you pay. Now they only have business and IT or business and tech fields, but they're pretty fast. Now with these schools, you can technically on paper graduate in less than 6 months. However, I have seen a big ordeal, students dealing with something that slows them down, and it's pretty kind of school-wide, and that is grading turnaround. So because of submitting essays and takes like staff taking forever to grade those, I don't generally see students go faster than 6 months at this school. I would push more to 12 months simply because of grading turnaround, which is super frustrating to wait for a school or be capped at speed for a school, which we're kind of used to because all traditional schools are that way. But I would pass on this school if 3 to 6 months is your goal. The next school I want to introduce you to is called Purdue University Global. Now, I really love these Excel track programs. That's the name of their competency-based education programs. And by the way, I should have mentioned this earlier. Competency-based education is key to move this quickly. Self-study, prove that you've learned the material is kind of the model, and you can do it as fast as you want at some of these schools. That's what these Excel track programs are. If we scroll down, they've got business, some tech degrees, cybersecurity, some health degrees, and they also have master's degrees and nursing degrees. Now, something I love about these programs is that I've seen students who have failed many, many times succeed with these programs. In fact, an 8-time college dropout named Bahadir literally dropped out 8 times, earned his entire bachelor's degree in just 4 months. Now, since then, Purdue Global has enforced a new change, and it's a 12-month credit cap. You can't earn a 4-year degree any faster than 12 months without special permission. And that's the key there, because you can get special permission as long as the school's comfortable that you're not cheating and using AI to just submit essays and stuff. You can usually get permission and go faster. So I'm going to give Purdue Global a thumbs up because it's still possible. You just have to jump through the red tape of special permission. Now, they charge you $2,500 about every 10 weeks. So on the year, it's about $12.5 thousand per year. So it's a little on the high end for some of these schools, but it's a great school. Purdue has a great name. And again, you can go really quickly. Next on the list, I want to introduce you to East Texas A&M. This is really cool because it's part of the Texas A&M system. So if you live in Texas, I know the state of Texas is really big on attending schools, like bringing in people to work for companies that have attended schools within the state. And they also do accept out-of-state residents as well, but they double the price. Now, they only charge about $1,000 every 7 weeks. So if you're an in-state resident, $1,000 every 7 weeks comes out to like $7,000 a year. If you go graduate in like 6 months, it's half of that. But if you live out of state, they double it and it's like $14,000 a year, which is too much. So if you border Texas, though, they give you an out of state discount and it brings it down a little bit. In state, though, if you live in Texas, this is great. Now, they don't have a ton of programs to choose from, but they've got some unique offerings. They've got criminal justice, early childhood education, elementary ed, general studies, health services, human resources, nursing, instructional design. They've got a good handful and they're adding a few more at a time. Now, what I will tell you with this school is yes, they get a thumbs up. They are really fast, fully self-paced. I haven't seen the grading papers lag, slow students down. So they've got the thumbs up. 3 to 6 months is logistically possible. Next on the list is Western Governors University. This is the original, the OG of competency-based or self-paced learning. They've been around since before Google. And yes, they are really fast. They charge you about $4,000, $4,500, depending on the program, every 6 months. So you're usually about $8,000 to $9,000 per year. But the good news is I've seen lots and lots of students hit 3, 4, 5, 6 months at this school, and it's really, really common. Now, they have business degrees, they have tech degrees, they have health and nursing degrees, they have education degrees, they have master's programs, they have a huge selection of degrees. And yes, students at this school are getting great jobs. Their average income is like well above the average university for their graduates. And on top of that, I've seen students graduate from this school and get into Ivy League schools later. So if you want to get a bachelor's degree and then go prestigious for your master's, this is a school that works really well for that. Next on the list is Southern New Hampshire University. Now, if you just go to their website and try to enroll in their programs, guess what? They don't offer self-paced programs. However, they have kind of a backdoor way into self-paced programs, and that is through what they call community partnerships. Now, if you enroll in school through one of these third parties, okay, they're called community partners. They're essentially mentorship services. Like you literally talk to people on the phone and they help you get enrolled and they help you make sure you're going at the pace you want to go. They're mentorship services. If you enroll through one of these places, guess what? You can enroll in one of these fully self-paced programs. They've got general studies, they've got healthcare management, communication, healthcare management, bachelor's degree, and management, which is like a business management degree. So not a ton to choose from, but guess what? They're pretty cheap and they're really fast. When I say cheap, it's about $3,000 3 times per year. And it depends on the community partner that you choose. They're all priced a little bit differently, but you literally it's pretty cheap even with the mentorship service. And yes, I have seen students get full degrees in just a term or two, so they get the double thumbs up. SNHU is great for speed and it's great for price as long as the school and major is going to open the right doors for you. Next on the list is University of Maine at Presque Isle. They charge like $1,800 it's 8 or 10 weeks. It ends up being about $11,000 per year. Now, this is the University of Maine system. It's like a branch of their system, and they offer what are called these Your Pace programs. If we go to their academic programs, you'll see they keep adding more, which I'm really impressed with. You got a whole bunch of degree programs to choose from. Again, I like that. I like that. Now, they used to be kind of the transfer in all these random transfer credits and get a liberal studies degree. Like, I'm not a fan of that strategy. I think liberal studies degrees are terrible career-wise. The average statistics, like numbers of income, it's just not great. So I would, at this particular school, avoid those liberal studies degrees. But if there's another degree that's a good fit, again, this is a school with a double thumbs up. I've seen students with no transfer credits go to this school and complete about 1 year of school per month on the fast end. So we're talking 4, 5, 6 months. I've seen students get full bachelor's degrees at this school. Again, with no transfer credits. Don't do the transfer liberal studies degree. It just doesn't get you as good of jobs unless the job you actually want calls for liberal studies. That's a different story. But double thumbs up for UMPI. It is fast. Next on the list is Capella University. They charge like $2,700 every 12 weeks. It's under $12,000 a year. You can do the math. But they have what are called flex path programs. If we filter for degree, you can search like, oh, let's get a bachelor's degree, area of study. Okay, they've got business, they've got health sciences, IT, nursing, psychology, social work. That's one thing that's cool about this school. They've got social work, like a more self-paced model for social work. It's kind of hard to find, but you can go and then you can kind of niche down as well. Now, if we scroll down just a little bit more, you'll see you can filter for FlexPath and you can go through down here as well. This is one of the very few schools that actually has doctorate level degrees in the self-paced format. Like literally only a couple of schools have this. Capella is one of those schools where it's like it's average reputation. I think it's for profit. So like some kind of, I don't know if we trust this type of school, but have seen them get students good jobs. And importantly for this video, I've seen students get degrees really quick, like less than 6 months is possible. I'm not a huge fan of Sophia.org. You've heard me talk about that if you followed this channel, but this is the same company that owns Sophia.org, owns Capella. So if you do like those Sophia credits, it's the same company that owns them, transfers very smooth. But again, doctorate degrees, and they've got some niche offerings that other schools don't, and they get the double thumbs up for speed. So it just depends on if it's going to open the right career doors for you. All right, let's move on to Walden University. They have what's called these tempo learning programs, and I've got some pros and like some good high pros and some cons for this school too. It's just one of those things. If they have an offering that fits you, this might be the best school. But let's start with price. It's like $14,000 a year. So it's like the very, very high end for schools that I'm putting on this list. It is more expensive. That is a big, big con, okay? Having said that, they have what are called these tempo learning programs. They're fully self-paced. And if we go filter for programs offered, they've got a small handful to choose from, like not like a ton like some of these other schools, but more than a few, right? They've got business, early childhood studies. They've got RN to BSN, criminal justice, health studies, healthcare administration, public health, and they've got some master's degrees and some nursing degrees as well. So for speed example, okay, I recently helped a student finish this early childhood studies degree. She had 2 years of school. She already had an associate's degree, which is the first half of a bachelor's degree. She came and finished the second half of her bachelor's degree in this early childhood studies program in 7 weeks. So we're talking like for full degree, less than 4 months is possible. If you have the right knowledge or you're a fast learner, it's totally possible. So this is a school that gets the double thumbs up for speed, but some maybe thumbs down for price. And you can determine, do your research, make sure before you enroll in any school, do you like the reputation and is it going to get you the jobs that you want? Next on the list, we're going to talk about University of Wisconsin Flexible Option. This is one of the originals as well, one of the older self-paced format schools. And they only have a couple to choose from. They have an Associate of Arts and Science. It's kind of a general associate's degree. They have business admin, diagnostic imaging, which I love because no other self-paced programs offer diagnostic imaging. They have health science, IT, and they have an RN to BSN nursing degree. Now, for the University of Wisconsin name, they're actually not very expensive. It's about $9,000 a year. It's a little more than some of the other schools. But when you've got like Walden charging 14 and you've got a University of Wisconsin system school, it's like under the umbrella of University of Wisconsin charging 9, that is really good. So I'm going to give like 2 huge thumbs up for price, but speed, I kind of got to give a mid, right? Because here's the thing. On paper, it's fully self-paced. On paper, it's totally possible to get a 3 to 6 month degree. Having said that, I've seen students really struggle with grading turnaround. So you submit papers to be graded, and I've even heard up to like students saying it's taken a couple of weeks to get a paper graded. That's really like bad news. So I would say more like 12 months just because of the red tape of getting papers graded. And I really don't like that in schools. I hate when schools slow students down because their staff is not moving fast enough or they're understaffed or whatever the problem is. That drives me crazy. So University of Wisconsin, some pros and some cons, got to put them somewhere in the middle. Now, this is where I'd be talking about number 10 because I said I was going to talk about 10, but I'm going to give you 2 for 1 right here. So we're actually going to talk about 11. I'm giving you a bonus school. Number 10 is going to be South College. The reason I'm doing a 2 for 1 right here is because both of the schools I'm about to talk about only offer master's degrees, but they're really cool. Like, they've got some really cool stuff going on. Now, South College charges about $7,000 every 6 months, $14,000 a year, but 6 months is possible for a master's degree, and 12 months or less is possible for a doctorate degree. This is a school that has doctorate programs. If we look at the doctorate programs, they have a DBA, they have a Doctor of Education, or an EDD, they have a Doctor of Medical Science, a DMS, that's really cool, Doctor of Ministry, and a Doctor of Nursing, okay? For master's degrees, they've got ministry, they've got MBA executive, and MBA executive is cooler than a regular MBA. It's like learning how to be like a CEO or a COO, an executive position. That's what you learn in an executive program. An MED, and MS of Accounting, and MS of Criminal Justice, MS of HR, MS of Instructional Design and Technology, which is education field. Really cool offerings. They're really niche offerings. So the chance that you're going to be like, oh, that's the exact degree I'm going for, maybe a few of you watching this video, but for those people, this could be amazing. So you got South College. Price is okay. Only master's and doctorate programs, so they get a huge thumbs up for doctorate. And yes, on paper, you can get a 3 to 6 month degree, but it's probably more 6 to 12 months is more normal at this school, and 12 to 18 months maybe for a doctorate degree. But at some schools, doctorate degrees are talking 3 to 5 years. So like, I love that South College is offering these offerings. Now, next on the list is University of Kansas. I'm super, super excited about this. They're kind of in the infant stages of this, but they're offering what are called their Jayhawk Flex programs. Now, if we go to those programs, they were going to start out with 4. They actually removed 2, and they're only starting out with 2. It's a master's in project management and what they call their HOPE program, Human and Organization Performance Effectiveness. Now, they, for speed, I cannot tell you for speed because they are just starting these like within the next month, okay? The very first wave of students ever will be earning University of Wisconsin, or excuse me, University of Kansas degrees fully self-paced. They're all in on making education more accessible. They've talked about this is a better way for students with learning disabilities. Really cool stuff going on. And this is like, they're a research school, but like lots of really high-end universities. If they knock this out of the park, guess what? Lots of other schools are going to follow, and I am so, so excited about these. Now, if you're curious about price, it's about $10,000 a year or so. And so it's like for a University of Kansas degree, that is absolutely amazing. We're just infant stages and we need to see more. They've talked about starting bachelor's degrees or launching bachelor's degrees, more master's degrees. They're doing research they're reaching out to employers to see what types of degrees employers want. They're really doing some cool stuff. I'm super pumped about it. Now, if you are me, if I'm in your shoes, I've done this, right? I earned a bachelor's degree in 9 months before AI. I've helped students, it's like with modern technology advancements and education advancements, I've helped students earn degrees in 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. If it's me, I am looking at schools like Western Governors University really fast, Purdue University Global's really fast, Southern New Hampshire University, University of Maine at Presque Isle. That's probably where I start my search. And if you live in Texas, maybe East Texas A&M, a lot of really fast degrees. Now, there is a catch to all of this. Of course, there's a catch. There's always a catch. And that catch is this. Universities do not want you to graduate faster, because the faster you graduate, the less money they make because of the way they're structuring tuition models for these programs. It's the faster you graduate, the less you pay. So they're not going to, out of the kindness of their hearts, just say, hey, let me help you get a degree in months instead of years. They don't do that because they lose money, right? So the catch is you need to take education into your own hands. You need to self-study the material, prove your competency or knowledge. And I help students do this all the time. I'm going to leave 2 resources down below. Number 1, if you want my help doing this, I have a program called Degree Hacking Academy. I've helped tons of students graduate really fast. And I'm going to leave a link to a tutorial where I walk through my 3-step process of degree hacking so that you can have an understanding of how to do this. I hope these have helped. Use those resources down below, and I'll talk to you in the next video.